Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. My name is Mike Pitt and I make videos about marketing, business and crypto. And today's video is entitled, What is Staking? Before we get into that, let's do some normal house rules. First of all, my socials will be on screen right about now. So make a note of those, follow me on those platforms. I'd love to see you there. Feel free to send me a message. Today's video, before we get into that, I should also note that not everybody has subscribed. Look at the visual on screen now. I've checked my analytics and not everybody is subscribed. So if you're getting value from this channel, this video or any of the other videos, I've made over 500, please subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. I look forward to connecting with you, and feel free to obviously comment below after you've watched this video, or comment below in any of my other videos. Staking. What is staking as it relates to crypto? Staking is a very appealing opportunity for cryptocurrency investors, whether they're new or they're well established and they've been doing it for years, because it allows you the opportunity to earn interest on the crypto that you've purchased. So let me give you an example. You may purchase some Cardano, or you may purchase another crypto, and then you've got the opportunity to stake your crypto. And what that means is you loan your crypto back to the project, so that your crypto, your currency, is used to verify transactions that happen on the blockchain. Now that all sounds very complicated, and it is, but what you're doing is essentially loaning your capital, your crypto, back to the project, and then in doing that you'll receive a reward when the period of your loan is over. So that might be 10 days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, and all of that is stipulated when you make the staking agreement. So you might get 5%, 6%, 7% on the cryptocurrency that you've loaned back to, or you've staked back to the project. And if you compare that with traditional banks and the traditional sort of fiat banking infrastructure, you know as well as I know, and we're talking now in January 2022, that if you put fiat currency in a bank, you'll get a very, very low interest rate. So these interest rates that projects within cryptocurrency offer of 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 20% is very attractive. You must obviously read the terms and conditions of any staking and how long you're locking away your crypto for before you engage in it. I'm just going to demonstrate where you can find your staking selections on Binance, but and then at the end of this I'll come back and just wrap up. I'm now logged into Binance and I'm going to demonstrate where you can find the options to stake. If you don't know how to sign up to Binance, please watch my video how to buy crypto. I'll put a link to that in the description so you can watch that video, and that's a good starting point. So I'm logged in to Binance, and if you click on the earn menu, so you can see the earn menu, there's lots of different options, so maybe we'll explore some of those other options in subsequent videos. Let's move myself out the way. Let's go over here. Hopefully that's more beneficial so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to click on staking, so that's what we're talking about in today's video, and click on there, and you can see that it'll now come through and we can see the options on Binance for staking. Let's move here, that's probably better. So there was a number of projects: CTK, ACA, STX, CLV. These are the options to stake, and you can see 3 of them have the stake now button. And this is not financial advice. I would suggest that if you are considering staking any of your crypto on any of these projects, the first thing you need to do is do some research. So you might start initially with CoinMarketCap. Remember, I've said this in other videos, CoinMarketCap is owned by Binance. I'm on the Binance platform, so you could say maybe there's some bias there because they're going to write their own projects up, or projects that they favor favorably. Possibly that's the case, so you might want to check on another information source. Okay, so TVK, I'm just going to go to CoinMarketCap. TVK is Terra Virtua Collect. I'm looking now at the prices, and I'm going to look at the performance. Let's have the performance over 1 year, if it exists over 1 year. So we can see there, and then you should go and find the project website and read, if you're considering it, you should read the white paper from the website and find out and familiarize yourself with everything in the project before you decide to stake. Let's imagine I've done that, and I would click here, stake now. Of these, and you can see that the annual interest rate that they're offering, 47.67, is very high, and that seems like it's an attractive offer. The duration, so you can set the duration there. If you go to 30 days, it's 9.26, 60 days 13.35, 90 days it's 18.59, and you would go and check the it looks like it's sold out. 90 days is sold out, so you could go and check the terms and conditions when we click on stake now. Let's go back to 10 days there. CTK, so CTK on coin market cap. Let's have a look at this. This is CTK, Certic market cap there. Let's have a look at their performance. All okay, so it's a relatively new token as well. And then you'd have to, once again, you should do your own due diligence and research before you decide to stake there. I'm just showing you some of the thought processes that I would go through. And then ACA, similar. I'm going to click now on this one, STX. It says it's uncapped, so Marco is just click this off. There we go. Market data is untracked, so is this brand new? There's no, it's just must have just been listed, but it's offering a quite an attractive return. The interest rate for staking seems to be 18.75, and that's paid in Bitcoin. 30 days. Let's have a look at 60 days, 90 days. So I'm do is, if I was going to stake for that project, I would click stake now. Let's move myself out the way over here, and you can see your crypto will be locked, and then for 30 days, 60 days or 90 days, and then you put the amount in that you're going to commit. There's a minimum and maximum there, and then it's telling you the interest rate and the period of time that's covered, 18.75, and then you'd click on I have read terms and conditions, and then confirm, and then your crypto would be locked. So let's just close that, and then you would have staked in the project, and that's it. DeFi staking is similar to lock staking. It's just that the projects relate to decentralized finance rather than some of the other projects. So it's different projects and different protocols. So what the projects are achieving is different to lock staking, but the process and the rewards are similar. So you can see here with this project, it's 41.89% if you stake, 25.18 here if you stake. Once again, this is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence on all of these projects. Check that you are comfortable with them, and there are different terms and conditions for each one, and then you'd click through and stake now, as I demonstrated on the locked staking page. So that's a good demonstration from Binance of how to stake your crypto and then earn money from your crypto. I'll now go back to the webcam view. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you've liked this video and found it useful, please give me a like. I hope you've found this information about staking. If it's new to you, I hope you found it very useful, and you'll consider staking your crypto, because in that way your crypto starts to earn more crypto. So your money is working and earning more. Your money is working for you, and that's what we want. I hesitate to use the term passive income. I mean, essentially that's what it is. Anyway, thanks for watching all the way through. Click on one or two thumbnails to watch another video from me. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks. Bye bye.